And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is a little bit different. Here I am at Art of the Carolinas, right down here in Raleigh. I just love it. That's North Carolina, in case you didn't know. And that's part of the Jerry's Artorama, where he has a major, huge convention of art materials with major discounts. So, who's not want to come to that convention? In the meantime, they have all these other workshops of all these wonderful artists teaching painting and crafts and different subjects like that. And this is where you come to buy your materials. How smart. I'm here for 4 days teaching 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 classes of every different subject. Today's subject, as you can tell behind me, is all about color combination. And we get about 40 people in every class here. It's something I do annually. This is my first time back. We all took a year off. And now we're all back out to be with other artists, is what I really love. So this BobBlast is all about painting on location in a workshop. You know, you're out of your studio, the comfort zone in your studio, and all of a sudden now we're going to be put on tables with other painters, and you might be a little intimidated having other people around you. You'll get over it. Everyone's so friendly here. And it's a typical workshop where I do a demo and you do the painting, and let me show you some of the materials that we bring to the workshop. So in this classroom, typical classroom, this is my typical setup, you don't have a whole lot of space. People are going to be close to you, you know. So just let you know, and not to be surprised. There's your paper, your brushes, stacks of materials to paint on, plenty of paint, buckets of water, and instructions all the time. And so I'm there with you all the time. And you're not going to do your best work, but you're going to have a lot of little mini lessons you're going to learn that you'll be able to put into your other works when you have a longer period of time in your studio. But these are like mini lessons throughout the whole day. These are 3-hour classes, and we go to a different subject. But this is your typical setup. You can see this is a rather large room, and they'll be coming in that door behind me pretty soon, so I can't wait. So, whether you're at a convention like this or any other workshop that you've left your studio, remind you, do not bring your entire studio. And I know you want to bring everything to feel safe. Listen to the instructions, what you bring. When you get here, there'll be a lot of excited artists. You'll be chatting all the time. This is really not the time to be chatty with your table mates, okay? The other thing you should bring to a convention like this or a workshop like this when you're not in your studio, the most important thing is a good attitude. Things will go really well for you. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next BobBlast.